Hi everyone, that's Mia, like the other girl I from the other video. And today we just cleaned up the room. I forgot to show y'all, but like it's a little mess. But yeah, she really did it. She wanted to.
I did
most of everything.
I did this corner bed. Ava did this one.
And look at this Emma chilling. Okay, I can't show y'all the apartments. I can't show y'all the apartments because you'll come get me.
So we're gonna pause you for a little bit.
Yeah, come on. And we're back. We're in the kitchen, and right now we're gonna make cereal. So we'll get our cereal. That's my mom's bathroom. Oh no. That's guys. They think we're tall. We're so short. We can't reach the cereal.
We can't even reach the cereal site. I can never show y'all. The cereal are way up there. We can't even reach up there. So we're gonna hold you on pause real quick.
We got the cereal.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get the milk. Hold on.
We got the milk, guys. So
It looks like we're gonna have to bring the forks.
no, we have to wash the spoons. No, they're right here.
Oh.
That was the last one. Okay, watch that one. Watch this one. Okay, so we're gonna get the bowls right now, but I don't know where they put the bowls at, like no joke. Okay, I found the bowls. Okay, can you get them? They're right there. I can't reach. Okay, I'm gonna put them up right here again.
Okay, so we're gonna hold you on pause real quick.
Be back. I'm sorry for pausing you. So okay, let's go. Wait, put our spoons.
Can we go into the room?
No, we'll make it in here. We have to. I'm gonna pull that one. That means it. I got it. That much? A little bit more. Okay, go keep it back up. I'm gonna pour the milk.
No, I can't reach.
Just put it right there, Mama.
Yeah, just put it right there. That's good. Oh, wait, you need more milk. Okay, put this up too. I got the bowls. I got this bowl. Let's. We're back. We can't really see us, so let me turn on the light. This is a little bit. It didn't help, but yeah.
You're gonna sit right by me?
Yeah, I can't. They have to sit up. Okay. So yeah. We're eating cereal. I'm gonna read it. Good. So how was y'all day? How was ours? Ours was good. How about yours?
It was good. We're spending the night at our cousin's house.
Yeah. Well, I've been here, but she came over here last night.
Yeah.
What should we talk about?
Today's Sunday.
I didn't know what she was going to say. Because she was like, should I say? I said yes. You can't really see me, but it's okay. Right there. Yeah. Look. So you have to remember the camera while we're just... Okay? Here, scoop over.
Oh my god.
Pause. Okay.
You haven't seen
Go check out our other video that we just posted earlier before this one. The title is the weird vlog, I think. I forgot. It was something like that. So
It's good.
what should we do after this?
I don't know.
Let's go back. If y'all can see the ammo back there, it's right over there. It's watching us.
He said, y'all are eating cereal without me. Look, it's brightening up. It's getting darker and darker and darker.
Oh, yeah.
Dark.
This is good. My mom hopped us good the cereal.
I might get more in a little bit.
Yeah, they're good. If y'all have Snapchat, I think the comments are off at my videos, so you can't really comment. But if you do, can you please drop a like, subscribe, and that's it. Easy thing. Because this is my third video up.
And comment if you like cereal. If you can.
You can just like and that's it. I used to make videos like last 2 years ago, and I didn't get nothing. I only got 2 likes. Or 2 subscribers. So
At least you got 2 things.
yeah. And I quit because it was boring.
You're probably gonna quit again. Trying to get those subscribers and stuff.
And then when I grow up, I could probably get the camera and then do it much better. What time y'all woke up? Like, what time we woke up? We woke up at 10:45, I think.
We went to sleep at 1 o'clock.
Like
Straight.
1 o'clock. Yeah.
There's something we to talk about.
But she's so tired, she said, but yeah, I'm not. Hey. Has that hat on?
Hi. Gee, this doesn't even fit my head.
You have a big head. I'm just kidding. Could this be like, what should we title it? Mukbang cereal in the morning. Well, no, guys. This is going to be a vlog of a
It's just like a weird one.
like eating cereal, but like a vlog. So like a vlog of eating cereal.
The cereal's so good. I can get like 3 more bites.
My favorite cereal is Lucky Charms. This cereal, I forgot what this called.
I think we woke up at like 11, maybe.
No, we woke
10.
up at 10 something.
Maybe 10:27.
Around 4. I think we go to eat.
Maybe I'm on.
Yeah.
Playing on the PS5. Or maybe. Is it the 5?
The place. Yeah.
Oh, because my brother has a 4, right?
Who?
My brother.
Oh.
Mikey gave the PS4 to David for Christmas.
Wow, not you.
Because I'm going to break it.
I got
a phone, I got some makeup, I got a pony, I got clothes, a lot.
I know we're trending, no joke.
Bro.
I'm almost done and she's barely eating. Eat your slurper before it gets soggy. So.
No, you did. Show the people on camera.
No. Okay, go.
Alright, we're gonna come right back.
Cause we're gonna go wash our bowls, but she's gonna finish and then we'll come back. Cause I'm already done. Da-da, da-da. I don't know. If
Look
y'all
at
can
me.
see. Look.
So I need to finish, and so
We're gonna come back.
gonna go wash our bowls and stuff like that.
She might not. She might throw hers away. We don't know for sure. But I see y'all in a little bit. Okay, we're back. What's it called? I forgot to go wash my bowl, but like she's almost done with hers. Look. Yeah, it was my number 2. I did. So we're
gonna go wash our bowls. So.
no, we're gonna take y'all. So let's go. So get my bowl.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, we're gonna go put this. Is that my mom? Oh, my mom's on the PlayStation 5. So yeah. Okay. You dump off the milk out here?
Not right here.
Over there.
It was good.
I know that, but like,
Alright, so we're back and we washed our bowls. So now it's time to read.
I don't know, guys. This is our YouTube channel, so
Yeah.
So
We're gonna play like a little game, taxi kind of.
Look,
it's raining.
We live in none of your business because I ain't gonna tell you all that. But we live in apartments. What I do
Terra Point.
Terra Point. So if she won't be in the video so much because she's not gonna be here so much. So like, this is the second video she's in.
Yeah.
So, gang. Wait, what happens if we make another one? It's gonna be like. So we won't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna be talking to y'all for like a little bit, and then yeah, that's what we can do. But I don't know what she just did, but it's okay. Let's go. So yeah, if y'all liking this YouTube video, drop a big like, subscribe, and that's it. You can just like it, subscribe, and move on. So
Wait, hold on.
don't do that because my stomach hurts a little bit, so I'm gonna mess up my head.
She has like a little shoe on her head.
You think this is cute? I like it. Put it back on the bed.
No, that was on the bed.
Oh, good. Going back to the
It was
library.
over there.
The little library section. Brian's cousin, so like he's 1 year
Yeah, we
old.
have like a little library over here. If y'all
Yeah,
can see.
but
Hold on.
why
Why is it wet?
It's how cold it is. So
No, look.
yeah, cause guys. So you know when you leave your window open, there was no like this, it's like plain, like that. And then when it rains or when it's cold, it's like it gets cold and make water. You can see it, but not water right here. Yeah, y'all can't see for nothing, but it's okay. But I need to talk about Angel. Angel is.
If you can't see, try to see our big old library over there. It's like
Well,
a
what's called that?
big library, and it's full of baby boards and stuff like that.
So we have a cousin. His name is Angel, and he's 1 year old. And what's called? He has this big piggy bank. He has $7 and a lot more dollars. Like
I think he has 8.
no, oh yeah, he has $8 and a lot of coins. Don't open it because we couldn't pay.
If y'all
So-
can hear it,
see, this is
if
the
y'all can hear it. But there's a lot of money in here from when he was cute.
you can see the dollars in there, and
Yeah.
when we opened it, we couldn't put it back again, so we needed
We
help.
couldn't, so we had to do it.
Yeah, but we put it back in finally. It took forever.
That was like yesterday night.
Yeah, but this is from Sorcery. I forgot what's his name. You can see him. I can put it back.
So, a piggy.
A piggy bank. So yeah, we don't know what to do. I know me.
Yeah, it's so boring. So we're
God.
gonna talk about our.
I want
cousin,
to tell y'all a
Angel.
story.
And so I'm gonna tell you a story first.
Wait, what do I do? Okay, fine, go.
I wanna. Can I see that then?
You gonna do the story about this?
Can I see
Okay.
that? Okay. So we're trying to get popsicles. We're trying to get popsicles. I got many marshmallows.
Cause
And so there was only a little bit. So she ate them all and didn't want to share.
I asked her.
That's our story. The end.
And then she said, I don't want that. I'm like, okay then. So let me hear my story. So today, so yesterday at nighttime, we're like, oh my god, we're so hungry. We had nothing to eat. Yeah, right there. We had nothing to eat at nighttime. We were thinking popsicles. But we were
They have like a
trying-
lot of ice cream here.
we had to be quiet. But we were about to walk.
I got the popsicles.
She's a liar. I did.
No, you got the. I got the mini marshmallows. I got the.
Well, what's guys? So we
Both
went-
of us did it. Both of us.
Yeah, we did teamwork. We tried this like 200 times.
If y'all can see this.
the popsicles. Oh my god, I was getting so mad at this girl. Kidding, I'm joking me because I was laughing because the first try she slipped a little bit on this toy, and we're laughed. And then like third try later, her Theo came, and he came.
My Theo.
Yeah,
It's my uncle.
the same thing. And he came in and we were faking it, but he knows we were awake. But then like some other try.
And it looked like if he was trying to open his truck or lock it
Yeah.
through this window.
I'm like, what
So,
the
yeah.
heck? And then
Yeah,
Tony-
and then he said, "Are you up? Do
We
you
said
want like
no.
something, a snack or something?"
we did not see that. We just
Yeah,
said,
he said.
oh yeah.
He
He
did.
caught us, bro. We ran back to the room and we were scared. Like we were like laughing though when he left.
We were laughing so much we couldn't stop.
So what's that? Ow. At
I can't believe you have a playground.
at 11:20 something. So at 11, we tried again, and the first try at 11, we almost got it, but we came way back. And then we went again. We opened the refrigerator,
And we
the
got it.
popsicles. We almost got a car because I put the popsicles in wrong, so it was.
So
not even
it
close.
slid and it almost fell to make
Yeah,
noise.
so she didn't want to put it up because how scared she was. So I had to go way back over there, get those popsicles, and put it way back there. And we did it.
And then we did it, and so those popsicles were
is
so good
Come here.
that I couldn't stop eating them.
Where is it? This is why we have a popsicle.
Wait, we have a trick for you.
No.
2 tricks.
Yeah, this is it. This is a popsicle.
No, this is mine.
No, I want to
I
take this
want
one.
this
I don't know. We threw that one away. So this is the. Oh, you can't see the trick yet. But this is the popsicle we had last night.
It has tricks.
So let's read. It says, why are
Jellyfish.
so strong? Think, guys. What do you think? Why they're strong?
Shellfish.
Shellfish. Yeah, we said jellyfish last night. Okay,
I thought it was jellyfish.
if y'all got it right, drop a like. Because of their muscles.
No, drop a thumbs down.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. No.
Because the
Big guy.
it says because
Mommy,
of
read
their
it.
muscles. There, we can see. You all can see.
There's like some.
Yeah, so
It says, why are jellyfish so strong? Because of their muscles.
period. What's good? So this is gonna be like
Oh, yeah.
9 minutes.
Wait, it doesn't have a period.
It's okay.
So
We'll be back in a little bit.
yeah.
Welcome back.
Okay, so
We're
we're
in the-
back. We're in the restroom.
But this is like a guest restroom. Yeah. I'm gonna wash my face.
Oh.
So you're gonna wash your face. So we're gonna use
Okay,
phone
so-
soap. So like, I'm gonna use phone soap.
Alright, can
Okay.
you go? Can you go?
What? So you're gonna wash your face after this, so. Alright.
Alright, so you get like water, and you need a little bit of soap because you don't have no more because you already rinsed it all. You wash your face? I do too in the morning. Whenever I wake up.
Sometimes, it's just sometimes I forget. Okay.
There's no paper. There's no towel. Oh, there's one right there.
She could have washed your face.
Okay,
I'm
hold on.
gonna use this towel.
She's gonna use a gray dark one, and I'm gonna use dial soap.
This
Y'all
phone
can
soap.
see. It's only like a little bit. Whatever.
Don't use all. Right there, there.
There. Okay, so I'm gonna. I don't really need my little water.
But it's good.
So I have soap. You rub it on our face.
And then you can rinse it off. But she sometimes just leave it on.
No, I'm
So-
gonna rinse it off. So if y'all can see.
I'm so cringy. Remember when if I grow up and I see this, I'm gonna be reacting to it.
It's so good. Where's the towel though?
Down, down, down. We have this cool mirror, guys. Is that glitchy?
Wait, don't show them yet.
Girl, I just showed them.
Okay, let me see the towel.
I know she's gonna sit off her face, so yeah.
I'm drying my face, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Dang.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's good. Come on.
I wish I could have my makeup. So we can do makeup on each other.
Oh.
Did your mom let you?
Yeah, but no, I hate
No,
it.
let's show them the mirror.
No, I already saw. I already showed them.
For real?
Yeah. Well, look at this mirror.
It opens and you can like put like medicine in there. If y'all can see.
There you go. And then open this one. And here's the other mirror, and here's that one. So we have.
Yeah, this one does not do
We
it.
only have two because it looks like we have three because 1, 2, 3. But no, we have one. We have two. I mean. I see y'all.
Show them the fishes.
I'm gonna show y'all the fish. I'll be right back to get it. Okay, there they are.
Hold on.
There
Yeah,
they are. Let's get all the fishy. The baby's away. The baby's away. Bye, guys. Welcome back to our. Bye. See y'all later.